Welcome to my channel. In this session, we will discuss how to find the last two digits. Before this, I suggest you watch two videos. One, we have a video on how to find the unit digits. You can watch that video and then come to this. Another one is, we have discussed how to find squares using these first 25 squares. In the playlist of Speed Maths, you find this video on squares using these 25 squares and keeping 50 or 100 as a benchmark. We try to say squares, that is 26 to 50 or 51 to 75. A range of 25 squares will use this, and similarly 76 to 100 will be using 100 as a benchmark, right? So let's say, for example, if I ask 36 square, what are the last two digits? Since I'm talking about two digit concept, let me restrict myself to last two digits. 36 is how much less than 50? 14 less. So 14 squares last two places is 96. So 36 squares last two places will be 96. You can calculate and check. Suppose if I ask you 62, 62 squares last two places means is how much more than 50? 12. 12 square is 144. So last two places is 44. Suppose if I ask you 89 squares, what are the last two places means? 89 is how much less than 100? 11 less. So 11 square is 121. Last two places is 21. So 21 are the last two places. Suppose if I ask you 77 square, what is the last two places means? 77 is how much less than 100? 23. 23 squares last two places is 29. So 79 7 square last two places will be 29. Now one more thing is, say for example, if I take this 89 square, 89 square ends with 21. As I said, we'll concentrate only up to last two digits, right? For finding the entire square, please do watch that video that I suggested. Now, what is 89 power 4 means? 89 power 4 is nothing but 89 square whole square will be 89 power 4. So 89 square is ending with 21 means 89 power 4 will end with what last two digits means? It is nothing but I have to square this right hand side. So in other words, last two digits are 21 means the result of 89 power 4 will be nothing but the square of this 21. What is 21 squares last two places? 41. 89 power 8 means what are the last two places? 89 power 8 is nothing but 89 power 4 whole square. But 89 power 4 is ending with 41. 89 power 8's last two places means when you square the right hand side, 41 squares last two places is 81. 41 is how much less than 59? 9 square, it ends with 81. Suppose if I ask you 89 power 16, 89 power 16 is nothing but 89 power 8 whole square. So then you have to square this right hand side, 81 square. 81 squares last two places how much? 81 is 19 less than 100. So 19 square is 361 means last two places are 61. When you square this 81, it is 19 less than 100. 19 squares last two places 61 will be 89 power 16. Like that, using these squares, we can find power 2, power 4, power 8, power 16 and so on, right? So this is the background for finding squares there. Now, using this, how this is required, why this is required for calculating the last two places we will discuss. Now, when it comes to the last two digit concept, there are different cycles. As I said, if you watch that video on unit digits, you will find that a few digits like 0, 1, 5, 6, they always end with the same unit digit. Then there are few digits like 4 and 9, they have two different unit digits. Then we have 2, 3, 7, 8. We have each digit has four different unit digits, like that we discussed in that unit digit video. Please do watch that. Next. But now I'm talking about two digit means the last two digits of a number when you try to take, it can be anywhere from 0001 to 99. So when you find their powers, what will be the last two digits means? What is the pattern means? Different numbers have different patterns. For example, a number like 25 always ends with the same last two digits. 25 power 125, 25 square 625, 25 cube 15,625. It always ends with the same last two digits. Similarly 76. 76 power 176, 76 square 5776, 76 cube again ends with 76. Right? Of course, 0 power anything ends with 0 1 power anything also ends with 0 1. Similarly, numbers like 24, 24 power 1 will end with 24, 24 square will end with 76, 24 cube will again will end with 24. So 24 power 4 again will end with 76. So odd power is 24, even power 76. There are two different answers possible. And for 75 also, 75 power 1, 75. 75 square 5625 means last two places are 25. 75 cube again 75. 75 power 4, it will end with 25. So again you can see odd power, even power, there are two different cases. Then there are few numbers like 7 which has got a cycle of 4 places. Every 4 places they repeat. 7 power 1, 7. 7 square 49. 7 means I can say 0, 7. 7 cube 343 means last two digits. I am only writing last two digits. I am not writing the entire number. 343, 7 cube you know. So the last two digits are 43. 7 power 4 is 2401 means last two digits are 01. 7 power 5 is 16,807 means last two digits are 7. You can see it repeats after 4 places. Then there are numbers like 2 which repeats after 20 places. 2 power 1, 2. 2 square 4. 2 cube 8. 2 power 4 16 and so on. If you write till 2 power 20 will end with 76. 2 power 21 will end with again 52. 2 power 22 will end with 04. 2 power 23 again will end with 08 and so on. Only 2 power 1 is an exception with 02, but otherwise 2 power 21 will end with 52. 2 power 41 again will end with 52 and so on. So every 20 places it repeats. And like this, when we observe all the numbers, what we found that is that the maximum cycle is, maximum cycle means max number of times it, max number of different answers you get is 20. Maximum cycle is 20 possible cases like this for 2 power 1. And others what you have same digit or two different answers or 4 different answers, they're all factors of this 20. That's why, because of this background, you don't need to know all this. I'm just trying to just bring in the law, why we are do whatever shortcut I'm going to tell you now. What is the background behind it? I'm just trying to give you some sense of it. So because every 20 places maximum it repeats, the other cycles that I'm repeating 4, 2 or 1, they're all factors of 20. We can conclude the unit digit, the last two digit concept as like this. For if suppose if I ask you 2 power 352, what is the last two digits means? Divide the power by 20 and take the remainder as the power, I can say. So 352 if we divide by 20, why divide by 20? Because there is a cycle of 20 places. If 352 divided by 20, what is the remainder? In fact, the divisible rule for 20 is you don't have to divide the entire number. If you divide the last two digits is enough. Like we have the divisible rule of 4 as last two digits. For 20 also the divisible rule is last two digits. 22 is 40, remainder is 12. If you want to divide the entire number 352, 2017 is 340, remainder is 12 or not. So we will take 2 power 12's last two places. Right? What is 2 power 12's last two places? 2 power 2 power 12 last places means, you know, 2 power 10 into 2 power 2 you can write it. You all know 2 power 10 is 1024, last two places is 24. 2 square is 4. 24 into 4 it is 96. So the last two places is 96, I can say. Right? But then what if the remainder is not 12 or something, if it is 0? Suppose if I ask you 2 power 40, what is the last two places means? If I divide 40 with 20, 22 is 40, remainder is 0. If remainder is 0, because you are dividing with 20, take 2 power 20. I tell you 2 power 20 will end with 76, 2 power 40 also will end with 76. So 2 power 20's unit place is 76. So in case if remainder is 0, take the power as 2 power 20, that is 76. Suppose if remainder is 1, suppose if I ask you 2 power 41, what is the last two places means? Divide the power by 20. So 41 if you divide by 20, 22 is 40, remainder is 1 means, should I take 2 power 1? No. Take 2 power 21. Why? Not only for 2, for some of the other numbers also you have this problem. Only 2 power 1 will end with 0, 2. 2 power 21, 2 power 41, they all will have the same thing. Because this is the first power, you may have only a single digit like this. That is the reason, to avoid this kind of situations, we will take it as, for 2 power 1 means take the remainder as 20. If the remainder is 1, take the power as 21. So 2 power 21 means, what is 2 power 21's last two places? We have just told you 52. That is your answer. But how do we know if I don't calculate this? Means simple. 2 power 21 means I can write 2 power 10 into 2 power 10 into 2 power 1. 2 power 10 ends with 24. 2 power 10 ends with 24, and 2 power 1 is 2. 24 into 24, 576 last plus, I'm sorry, this is 2 power 1 ends with 2, sorry. Yeah, 24 into 24, 76, that is last two places. 76 into 2, it is 52. 152 means last two places are 52, I can say. Right? Let me show you this, let me sum up this in the next slide. Then we will take up few more examples. If there is any, I think, confusion, that will clear that. To find the last two digits, what is the summary of this discussion? Considering only the last two digits of the base. What I mean by that is, suppose if I ask you 496 whole power 496, I'll only consider these last two digits. I don't need the rest of the number because I need only the last two digits. That's the first point. Next, divide the power by 20. Divide this power by 20. Take the remainder as the power. That's what I said. In case if the remainder is 0, what we should do? Take the power as 20. I told you why we should do that. Similarly, if remainder is 1, take the power as 21. Right? So now when I take this 496 power 496, if I apply this rule, because I need last two digits, take only the last two digits of the base 96. Divide this power by 20 and take the remainder as the power. As I said, 96, you don't need to divide the entire number. Last two digits 96, 24 is 18, 80, remainder is 16. So you can say 96 power 16. What is 96 power 16's last two places? You know 96 square ends with what? This is the reason I said you should be good at squares. 96 is how much less than 104? 4 square ends with 16. 96 power 4 means you have to square 16. 16 square ends with what? 16 square is 256, 56. 96 power 8. 96 power 8 means you have to square 96 power 4 both sides. So 56 squares last two places. 56 square means how much more than 50? 6 square 36. 56 squares last two places will be 36. 96 power 16 means 96 power 8 whole square is 96 power 16. 36 whole square, when I do it, what will be the last two places? 36 is how much less than 50? 14. 14 square 96. 14 square is 196. 96. So 96 power 16's last two places is 96. Right? So like this we can always answer the questions. Right? Let me take up one more example. Suppose if I ask you 387 whole power 437. If you look at here, 387 means I have to take only the base 87, because I said you should consider only the last two places of the base. Divide the power by 20 and take the remainder. Here, when I divide 437 by 20 or 37 by 20, remainder is 21's 20, remainder 17. I need 87 power 17's last two places. Suppose if I take 87 power 1, it is 87. 87 squares last two places is what? You need to be really good in squares. It is 13 less than 100. 13 square 169. So 69. 87 power 4 means I take 69 squares last two places. 69 is how much more than 50? 19. 19 square 361 means 61 is the last two places. 87 power 8 means I have to take 61 squares last two places. 61 is 11 more. 11 square 121. 21 is the last two places. 87 power 16. Yet it is 21 square. 21 square last two places will be 41. Now when I say 87 power 17 means, can I not write it as 87 power 1 into 87 power 16? 87 power 1 is 87. It ends with 87. 87 power 16 is ending with what? 41. We can say 87 into 41 means you can multiply and take the last two digits. I've told you how to do two-digit multiplication in one of the videos. You can watch a multiplication video. First step is 7 into 1, 7. Second step is 8. 1 is 8. 4 7 is 28. 8 plus 28, 36. So last two digits are 67. Right? Can we take up one more example? Let's say 373 whole power 840, say 846. What we can say now? Last two digits is 73. Divide this power by 20 and take the remainder. When you divide 46 by 20, remainder is 6. I have to take 7 power as 6 there, because 46 if you divide by 20, 22 is 40, remainder is 6. 73 power 6 means, what is 73 square? How much more than 50? 23 more. 23 square ends with 29. 23 square is 529. First 25 squares you need to be good, right? 73 power 4. 73 power 4, if you look at it, it is nothing but 73 square whole square. 29 squares, last two places will be what? 29 square is how much less than 50? 29 is 21 less than 50. 21 square is 41. So 73 power 6 is nothing but 73 square into 73 power 4. We can say that it is, let's say 73 square is 29. 73 power 4 ends with 41. Multiply 29 into 41. 1 into 9, 9. 1 into 2, 2 plus 36, 38, 89. Am I clear? If you write like this, first step as I said is 9. Second step is cross multiplication. 2 plus 36, 38. I don't want the entire multiplication. Just stop once you get last two digits. Someone will have, what if this is still bigger number? One thing, when you divide by 20, the remainder can be less than 20 only, right? So that's why maximum you can find up to 16, 16 power, that's enough. For example, I'll change this question. If this is 373 whole power 859, when I divide by 20, what is the remainder? 19. 59 when divided by 20, 22 is 40, remainder is 19, means take 73 power 19. 73, let me continue this. 73 power 4, 41. 73 power 8 will be 41 square. 41 square is how much less than 9? I mean 59. 9 square 81. 73 power 16 means how much? 81 is how much less than 100? This 41 is, see how you got 81. Once again I'll say this. 41 is 9 less than 50. 9 square 81. Now 81 means I have to refer with 100. How much less than 100? 19. 19 square 361. 61 is the last two places. Now 73 power 19 means, can I not write it as 73 power 1 into 73 square into 73 power 16? 16 plus 2 plus 1, 19 or not? 73 power 1 ends with 73. 73 squares last two places is 29. 73 power 16's last two places is 61. Now first multiply these two and take the last two places. 29, 61, if I multiply, what is the last two places? 9 ones 9. 2 ones 2, 9 6 54, 56 6 69. Now 73 into 69 again multiply. 9 3 is 27, 9 7s are 63, 6 3s are 18, 63 plus 18, 81 plus 2 83, 37. So my answer is 37. So like that we can always find for any power. This is how we find last two digits. So thank you.